Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see how we can create pipeline in Jenkins. So let's get started with today's video. So let's create new item for pipeline. So here let's say give second job, and you can see pipeline we will be selecting. So it's a type of job that you can start. So here you can see you can also copy a job from. So if you have already one and you want to copy something and similar steps you want, then you can copy from another job as well. So let's get started. So here general you can see. So description, I'm just giving pipeline tutorial. So here there are several options, and in the last you can change difference as it takes pipeline script. So pipeline script is basically a groovy script that defines like a series of steps for like building, testing, or like deploying your project. It include stages. So sample pipeline, you can see one step is there that just print hello world. So let's see and check this. So let's give build now. So it will appear in the left side. So here you can see one build, it shows. So here you can see all the options: console, output, build information. You can edit, you can delete the build, pipeline overview, console. So all these options you will get to see. So let's see first console output. So here you can see hello world is printed and this build is a success. So let's go to again pipeline overview. So here you can see pipeline started, hello is printed, and then it ended. So here pipeline console also you can go. So this will show you step by step console logs. So here stages also you can go. So it will go to same page only. So here stages will be displayed. As of now only one stage is there. So I'll show you sample stages as of now. So let's go to pipeline. So here I'm just create a dummy second stage. So here let's say first change git checkout. Echo also let's say change to git checkout. Second let's say git test, change echo as well. And third let's say git commit, echo also git commit. So now let's give build. So here second build you can see it's success. So now if I'll show you console output, so here you can see first git checkout, git test, then git commit, and this is a success. So if you will go to pipeline overview, so now here you can see three stages. So if individually you will see, here you can see whichever echo I have done, that will be coming in console output. So now let's go back to menu and let's go to pipeline steps. So here you can see which all steps in detail also. So here first step you can see git checkout, then git test, and git commit. So now let's go back and go to configure. So in configuration, let's first check out our git repo. So here GitHub project URL also you can try, but I'll be doing using pipeline only. So here write git checkout and then URL we need. So SSH we have already connected in previous video. So if you have not connected your SSH key, then watch previous video and connect that. So now let's go to Jenkins and just copy the SSH URL and paste here. Git branch, let's say master, and URL I'm going to pass, that is copied from GitHub. So let's build now. So here you can see third is started, console output. So here you can see error is there. Git init, git fetch is there, git config. Could not find any revision to build. Verify the repo and branch name. Okay, so branch name master I have passed, that is main. So let's go to config and edit main. So now again give build. So now you can see fourth is a success, console output. So here you can say automated update by Jenkins. So whichever latest commit, it has pulled that. So you can also go to stages, and there also you can see these stages. So I have shown you very basic pipeline in this. So if you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.